Hi, good morning, friends. I'm Nuala Shetty. Yesterday on Facebook, I saw a picture which was posted of a girl, a pretty girl in a white gown, and she was beaten up, physically abused. But what was written there was, Ma Durga will not help you the whole year round by only doing puja to her for the 9 days of Navratri. Now she was trolled for this by different communities, some Hindus, some Christians for wearing the white dress. That annoyed me a lot. I replied to it and I said, you're missing the point. It doesn't matter what she's wearing, it doesn't matter which community she belongs to, it doesn't matter color, race, anything. The point is domestic violence is prominent around the world. Women are suffering every day, millions of women. And domestic violence is by somebody in the house, or father, son, husband, brother. Sex without consent of the woman is rape. Do you know that even a wife who does not give consent to sex and is forced by the husband is considered rape? Now, I am talking about physical and mental violence. Physical is something you can see, you're bruised. Mentally, people suffer. Have you seen men making fun of their wives in front of their friends? And it's a joke everybody laughs at. You've seen this quite commonly and you may have been a part of this. You have never realized how badly it affects a woman. Because it's a part of that man's life who thinks he's very funny, he's very smart, and he talks about his wife in front of everybody else. And she silently ignores this till there's a point of breakdown. And we wonder why women go into depression. What do we do about these things? NGOs, police, women's cells, talk to your friends. But the most important thing is be financially dependent on yourself, be financially independent. Women will not leave the situation because they have children. They don't have the money to live separately. So the first thing is education of yourself. Be financially independent, have a job, work from home. When you are financially independent and educated, no man in the world can do anything to you. No man. Believe me when I say this. The only reason many men don't let their wives work is for this reason. But then she has a say in many things in the house. Think about what I'm saying and how true this is. We all go through this every day in our lives. Why? Because we think otherwise this man is a good father, otherwise he's a good husband. Only sometimes he behaves like that. Why should this be tolerated sometimes? Why? Learn to say no. Stand for yourself. Have boundaries. That he respects you as his wife just like you respect him to be your husband. Do not tolerate any nonsense, injustice to yourself, and help others if you know about these things. Help your friend. If you are suffering, if you are the victim, talk to friends. Who are your real friends? Talk to them. Seek help. You need a psychologist maybe. You need a doctor maybe. Go and ask for help. Nothing wrong with it. Don't suffer. I love each one of you. And if you're going through this in any sort of way and you need help, be free to send me a message. I'll do whatever I can to help you. I love you so much. Bye. God bless each one of you.